Hi, I want to make a short video showing you how I would think about the check-in two trains problem. We see, so the two trains are traveling at a constant speed on different tracks. Which train is traveling faster? And they give us some clues using double number lines, but the double number lines don't exactly connect with each other. So we're going to need to do some work on these double number lines to help them connect. Okay, so the first double number line, they give us this information that train A goes 10 meters. 100 meters in 4 seconds. And this is train A. That's an A. Okay. So what I would need to do, if you look at these tick marks, they're a little hard to see. So I'll kind of highlight them. This one is going 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on the elapsed time in seconds. So then the distance traveled in meters is going to go 100. There's two ways you can think about this. You could just use your number sense and go, well, it has to be 25, 50, 75, 100. Quarters tend to be really easy for people to think in because one of our most common coins is quarters. So you can use your number sense on that one for you. You could also take this rate. A rate is it's a division problem that compares two different things that have different units. So it's like a fraction, but there's units in it. So dividing it down by 4, I get the unit rate, which is 1 second. 100 divided by 4 is 25 meters, which we can see 25 meters in 1 second. We can see that right here on our double number line. Okay. All right. Train B, they don't tell us how long it takes to go 100 meters. They tell us that it can go 12.5 meters in 1 second. 12.5 meters in 1 second. And then to scale that up, we're going to need to multiply both of those values by a number that takes us to 100 meters. To I don't know how many seconds. You can do double number lines in two ways. You can do it with multiplication division, which I did for the first one. You can also do it if your brain is not, if that number isn't coming to you. You can also do it with addition. So check this out. So if it's 12.5, let me make sure this is a really skinny. Okay, it's as skinny as I can make. Perfect. So if it's 12.5 meters in 1 second, then in 2, 3, 12.5. If I add 12.5 every time, it'll be 25. And then if I add 12.5 for the next second, it's going to be 37.5. And then if I keep going with that pattern, it'll be 50. And then 62.5. And then 75. And then 87.5. And then 100. So you can do that addition pattern. You could also look at it like a multiplication pattern. To get from 12.5 to 100, I have to multiply by 8, because 12.5 times 8, that's 40, 16. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10. And then you've got one decimal place, so it's 1,000 tenths or 100 wholes. So here, let me get this screen going right. I can multiply by 8 times 8, so it's 100 meters in 8 seconds. Okay, so depending on how you look at this, if you want to compare unit rates, that's this. And comparing unit rates, you can see that train A is faster because 25 meters in 1 second is greater than 12.5 meters in 1 second. You could also look at how long it took them to go 100 meters. So in this first one, we're looking at more distance in the same amount of time. In the second one, we're looking at, 100 meters in 4 seconds compared to 100 meters in 8 seconds. We can see 4 seconds to 8 seconds. This one took, this is train A, this is train B, train A, train B took longer. Sorry that my handwriting is so bad. Train B took longer. Okay, I hope you find that helpful.